Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 8 on chapter number 9, Algebraic Expressions and Identities, and today we are going to begin with exercise 9.2 from Ncert. Now this exercise is basically on finding the products, and for that remember, whenever you have variables and it is multiplication sign in between, you will add the powers of that. Let's proceed with the exercise.
Let's begin with question number 1. Find the product of the following pairs of monomials. Now what we are going to do is, we will multiply the numbers and we will add the powers. Please remember, whenever we multiply the variables, we will, their power is 1 for example, we will add the powers. For example, 4 multiplied by 7p. So 4 into 7, 28. There is only 1p. So there is no difficulty. Answer is 28p. Minus 4p into 7p. Now minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. P into p. There are 2 p's. So p square. Or we can say p raised to power 1 plus 1. That is 2. We add the powers in the multiplication. Please remember this. Next. Minus 4p multiplied by 7p cube. So minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. There are p into q. So there are 2 p's. So p square, q is alone. So q will remain like that. 4p cube into minus 3p. So 4 into minus 3, minus 12. P raised to power 3 into p. That means p raised to power 3 plus 1. So it means p raised to power 4. 4p multiplied by 0, anything multiplied by 0, your result is 0. Question number 2. Find the areas of the rectangles with the following pairs of monomials as their lengths and breadths respectively. So what is the formula of area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So we are given the pairs with the length and the breadth. We will just multiply and write down the answer in square units. For the first case, our length is p and breadth is q. So answer is pq. P multiplied by q, pq square units. 10m multiplied by 5n. 10 into 5, it will become 50. M into n is mn. So 50 mn square units. Next is 20x square and 5y square. Multiply them together. 20 into 5 is 100. X square multiplied by y square will remain as it is. So answer is 100x square y square square units. Next is length is 4x, breadth is 3x square. So 4x multiplied by 3x square. 4 into 3 will become 12. There is 1x and then there is 1x with 2 powers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 12x cube square units will be the area. Next, length is given as 3mn and breadth is given as 4np. So 3mn multiplied by 4np, 3 into 4, 12, mn into np. Now there are 2 n's over here, 1m, 2 n's and 1p. So answer is 12mn square p square units. Question number 3. Complete the table of the products. Now here you have been given 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y minus 9x square y square, and you are given the second monomial as 2x minus 5y, 3x square minus 4xy, 7x square y minus 9x square y square. What you have to do is, you have to multiply with the first monomial with the second monomial like a cross, like 2x multiplied by 2x. So 2 into 2 is 4, x into x is x square. So answer is 4x square. So I am just explaining the yellow part. If you see, minus 5y into 2x. Okay, so minus 5 into 2 is minus 10xy. 3 into 2 is 6. There is x square and 1x. So x cube, 6x cube. Minus 4xy multiplied by 2x. So minus 4 into 2 is minus 8 and x square y. 7x square y into 2x. So that is 14x cube y. Next, minus 9x square y square multiplied by 2x will be 9 into 2, 18, minus 18x cube y square. Let's look into the now minus 4xy multiplied by 2x. So 4 into 2 is 8 with minus sign and x square y. Minus 5 into minus 4xy. Minus minus will get cancelled. So 5 into 4 is 20xy square. 3x square multiplied by minus 4xy gives minus 12x cube y. Minus 4xy multiplied by minus 4xy minus minus plus 4 into 4 is 16x square y square. Like this and so forth we will carry on and fill all the blanks. Question number 4. Obtain the volume of rectangular boxes with the following length, breadth and height. First of all, you need to know the formula of the volume. Volume is length into breadth into height. Like we have done the area of the rectangle, same way now we are going to do the volume. So length is given to us 5a, breadth is given to us 3a square and height is given to us as 7a raised to power 4. So length into breadth into height, that means 5a multiplied by 3a square multiplied by 7a raised to power 4. 5 into 3 into 7 is 105. Then there is 1a, then a square, then a raised to power 4. That means a raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 4, which is a raised to power 7. And the answer will be written in cubic units. In area we were writing square units. In volume answer is in cubic units. Next is length is 2p, breadth is 4q and height is 8r. So 2p into 4q into 8r, 2 into 4 into 8 is 64 pqr cubic units. Next, length is xy, breadth is 2x square y and height is 2xy square. So length into breadth into height when we do, please be very careful, there are many x and many y. So xy multiplied by 2x square y multiplied by 2xy square. So 2 into 2 is 4. Now x raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 1, that will become 4. And y raised to power 1 plus 1 plus 2 again 4. So the answer is 4x raised to power 4 y raised to power 4 cubic units. Next, length is given as a, breadth is given as 2b and height is given as 3c. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6abc cubic units. Next, find the product of. Again we have to multiply. Take care of the variables. When the variables are same and you are multiplying, you will add the powers. xy multiplied by yz multiplied by zx. So how many x are there? 2. Y 2, z also 2. So the answer is x raised to power 2, y raised to power 2 and z raised to power 2. Second part, a multiplied by minus a square multiplied by a cube. So a is 1 is minus, so it will be minus a raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. 2 into 4y into 8y square into 16y cube. So multiply all the numbers, it will be 1024. How many y's are there? 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. A into 2b into 3c into 6ab. So 2 into 3 into 6 we will do 36. There are 2 a's in this, there are 2 b's and there are 2 c's. So 36 a square b square c square. Last part, m into minus mn into mnp. So minus 1 is there, 1 minus is there, so answer will come in minus. There are 3 m's, so m raised to power 1 plus 1 plus 1, m raised to power 3. There are 2 n's, n raised to power 2 and p. So the answer is minus m cube n square p. That's all for this exercise, children. This whole exercise was relating with the product or multiplication. Please take care of the negative sign. Please take care of the powers. If the variables are repeating, in the case of multiplication, we always add the powers. The rule applies over here. It is very simple once you do practice. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.